Jolanda, aka Nana. Everybody knows she my sidekick, right? So we was on the phone for an hour and 43 minutes discussing just life, okay? Well, during that discussion, them damn two little mutts would not stop barking. I could have wrung a neck. So when said hour and 43-minute discussion was over, we hung up, said I love you, miss you, my best cousin friend. Well, decided to let them two said mutts out to party for the last time, and they ran out barking like some idiots. While they was barking like a fool and running in the back, I locked the sliding door just in case to keep myself safe, because I'm home by myself. Then they come back to the door, wagging their little tails like nothing happened, and they want to come in. I let them in. They can wag all they want because I sent them to their kennel for the night. Good night, you little shit asses. So those who know me know the house is so dark, there's no lights on. And I went to the kitchen saying I might get me a little snack. Not only did I get a little snack, I made sure, well, tried to make sure the back door was locked and bolted. When lo and behold, my big toe touched something squishy. Yep, two little turds on my floor. Now, as if that wasn't bad enough. You ready for this? You sure? Now you see, I removed my big toe from that little turd on the floor, and I started yelling at that dog because I was mad. In the process of yelling, I guess karma came around, because let me tell you what happened. What happened was, this here phone fell in that turd. So, the yelling started again. It's a good thing I had done locked them dogs up. Because if they weren't locked up, I can't tell you what would have happened. Now at this point, I needed to potty really bad. But I had to clean the turd off my phone. So, at this point, at this time, them dogs is punished for a day. They get to go potty and back to the kennel. They get to eat and back to the kennel. They get to potty, back to the kennel. No nice mama tonight or tomorrow at all. So now I went potty, I cleaned the turd off my phone, washed my hands, it's time for a snack. And I'm taking them cookies to my room and I'm gonna eat them in the bed. And if I get crumbles, oh well. I hope them dogs learned a lesson, because Mama needs to go rest her neck and eat her cookies in bed. May I hope y'all pass a good night? Because I will. Good night.